Ever wondered how to turn your car into a kitchen? Well, wonder no more. We're about to embark on a tantalizing journey, transforming our humble vehicle into a culinary haven for road trips and camping adventures. Today, we're turning our car into a kitchen as we embark on a delicious journey of on-the-road cooking. First up, we have a classic campfire favorite, quesadillas. Gather tortillas, cheese, and your choice of veggies. Assemble your quesadilla, then let it sizzle on a portable grill or campfire. The result? A cheesy, gooey delight ready to satisfy your taste buds on the go. For a hearty breakfast on the road, we're making a one-pan wonder. Picture this: eggs, bacon, veggies, all sizzling together in one pan. Just crack, stir, and savor the flavors. It's simple, quick, and minimal cleanup, ideal for the road. When hunger strikes between meals, it's snack time. Let's stir up a custom trail mix. Combine your favorite nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Transfer these energy-boosting goodies into a snack bag. And voila! You've got a nutritious snack for those long stretches of road ahead. Looking for a sweet treat that won't melt in the car? Enter no-bake energy bites. Just blend oats, honey, and your favorite add-ins. Roll the mix into bite-sized balls. Voila! A quick and healthy sweet treat to keep you energized on your journey. Let's elevate our road trip dining with a portable pasta salad. A delightful blend of your favorite pasta, vibrant veggies, and a tangy dressing. Stir it all together for a burst of flavor that's as exciting as your journey. Pack it in a container and you've got a refreshing meal that's ready to hit the road with you. And there you have it, a collection of quick and tasty travel recipes for your on-the-road adventures. We've journeyed through gooey campfire quesadillas, hearty one-pan breakfasts, nutritious DIY trail mix, no-bake energy bites, and refreshing portable pasta salad. Each bite is a testament to the fact that delicious meals can be enjoyed wherever the road takes you. So don't forget to pack your culinary creativity on your next travel adventure. Until next time, happy travels and happy cooking.